Hi, this is David Saddlemeyer, Century 21 Liberty, and I'd like to present to you this amazing renovation at 1105 Branson Street in Fayetteville, North Carolina, close to downtown Fort Liberty. For more information, visit my website, davidhomesforsale.com. That's number 4. You can subscribe to the YouTube channel you're currently watching, and you can change video options to 1080p. See everything in high definition. Brand new roof there, some attractive vinyl shake siding there on the gable there above the front porch. Fresh landscaping and the flower beds here. This is really sharp. Decorative front door to greet us. And let's step inside. Most of what you're seeing is completely brand new. In fact, there's too much new to list here, including a new gas pack and ductwork and water heater, new fireplace there in the living room here. And this is just gorgeous. LVP flooring, new fixtures, fresh paint. Spectacular kitchen here. The dining area first. And wow, does this pop. Kitchen island, breakfast bar, granite counters, stainless steel appliances, crown molding in the cabinets, subway tile backsplash. Love it. Closer look. All brand new. Next, laundry room / mudroom. There's some cabinets, sink there. This is the backyard. It is fenced in. Brand new deck here. And we're looking back at the way we came. Let's check out the bedrooms and bathrooms. First bedroom. First full bathroom. Some fantastic tile work in the bathrooms. And this bathroom going from the tub to the ceiling. Another look at the vanity. The bathrooms are pretty much all brand new like the kitchen. Modern vanities. The owner's suite. Blinds throughout the house. We'll go to this corner. Closet there. And the bathroom. Walk-in shower. Again, very pretty tile work. You have a seat there. And a closer look, there's the shower head. Matching vanity. Another closet. And the toilet. That completes the tour. Give me a call, 910-723-8888 to see this or any home for sale in town. And check back soon for more videos on my channel. Hope you enjoyed the tour.